The application that we're going to build in this course consists of two parts, a front end and a back end. In our case, when we talk about the front end, we refer to the web application with which the user interacts directly. It is the page that contains buttons, forms, text, and others, which the user will use directly. On the other hand, when we refer to the back end, we're talking about an application that lives on a server, to which the user has access through the front end. For example, if the user wants to save a record, the record will interact with the front end, and the front end will communicate with the back end to perform the save operation. It is important to have a back end because that way we can centralize operations of our solutions. For example, we could have two front ends, a web application and a mobile application, and both communicate with the same backend located on a web server. We usually have two options when we work with a front-end application with its ASP.NET Core backend. The first option is to have both projects separated, and the second option is to have both projects together. The advantage of having separate projects is being able to publish them independently, that is, have the front end in one place and the backend in another place. This is the most common way of working, and it is the one that we're going to use in this course. The second way, the one of having both projects together, forces us to have a front end and back end in the same project. It is not normal to do it in this way for several reasons. Two that I highlight. One, normally front end and back end are worked by different people with different skills, so having both together does not make sense. Second, it forces you to always deploy both together, making it difficult for one to evolve independently of the other. I am going to teach you how to create a project with front-end and back-end together, but it is not the way I will work throughout the course. Throughout the course, I will have a project for the back-end technology and another project for the front-end technology, and that way we will be able in the end to deploy them separately.